Okay, so after last depressing video, let's start something new. I have the habit to watch every single series that has been gone like years ago. So there was a series that I have watched recently. It's named Travelers, and let me clear you a little bit of concept of that. In thousands of years ago, there is a disturbing future. I mean, there is no future, I guess. I mean, everything was gone, the food, the everything, just say, and only machines are running the place. Okay. So from there they wanted to like secure the earth. They wanted to let the humans to live. So how did, I mean, on that time most of the humans have like died or something happened to them. Okay, I mean, there are some humans, but something happened to them. So they have sent kind of a time travel. That's why they call them travelers. Let me explain you. They don't send the human to here, like the Terminator or something. No, no, not like that. They send the conscious mind into the person who is about to die. Like something just like brain exchanging or memory exchanging kind of thing. um, they took a conscious mind of from the future and they transfer it to the human in 21st century. I mean, like now. And the man like hammer himself, and the person who was in that body, he died. And the conscious mind that enter into him, conscious with soul, absolutely. So the conscious mind and the soul take over the body, and he started living that person's life. I mean, he knows everything, what happened in future, and he is here to change that. And in this all thing, they send 5 people to the present from the future, and 2 girls, 3 boys, they send there. And they have a mission. I mean, they get mission from a different way. Like they also send some messages into little kids conscious mind. So they speak in front of them, and after that kids forget everything what they said. And this is the way of their conversation with each other. There is also a web something there, so they can also um, like process through it. So why I am telling you this, that I'm on the season 2 right now. And season 2 is episode 6 or 7, I don't remember. I mean, I haven't watched the complete series. I'm just in the middle because I have saw something like miracle. There is a thing. They said that in some places there was a virus that spread from one person to another person, and then the whole planet gets the virus. And people started dying. I mean, they are saying that in future they have okay, in present they have completed many missions that change the future. Okay, so from the future they don't come from. There is 2 factions who are running, and one are like soft way. They are trying soft way to um, let the earth survive. And there is a other faction who is trying in a hard way to like do the things they are doing. So they have the faction send some travelers into human mind. The problem is they send into the normal humans who are not about to die, and they were normal, and it's like a taking a life. So this is the hard way of them. And they create a virus and they spread it into the whole nation. Then it's spread in different ways. And like 10 millions of people have like consume it. And the virus is constructed like that it will go slowly. I mean, it won't like give the pain to the host. Just after catching it, it grows slowly, like 5 or 7 days to the human. And why? Because they want that virus to spread in the other people. It is like the corona, exactly same, but it's dangerous. And lots of people started dying, and they like somehow create the cure. I mean, there was a director in the future who sent them the formula to make antidote. It's a long story. I cannot explain fully. I mean, I know everything, but just focus on the part that I'm saying. Okay, so they made the cure and they like save everyone there. And I thought of it that this kind of things that our business, I mean our what they say art business is showing. I mean the Hollywood, it was a Canadian series, so they made this, and after 1.5 year we have got the virus in our hand. I mean like it's the same. They also said that this had started from the China. Their virus also started from the China's food market, and this also started from there. I mean, there are many theories. That some say that they make it on their lab, or okay, if they make it on their lab, they are stupid. I mean, if you want to cut the Earth population, then you have to do it in a right way, no? I mean, in the Traveler series, they have planned to kill the 70% of the population. 70%, 70. And in here, it's not even a 2% of the population. So, if the China built in his lab for this purpose, I mean, they wanted to like humans, I mean, the population to go down, then they fail in it. And if they wanted to collapse the economics of every single country, then they got pass in it. I mean, only China is getting profit right now. Every other country has pain for this. Okay, but it is not the end, no? Because now China did it, so many countries have started research on this kind of a thing, on this kind of a virus. This is not the first thing that comes now. I mean, it started the war, and now every country will try to create their own virus, and they will try it on humans. I mean, mostly they will try it on China because they have full of the anger inside them. And I don't mind if they do that, because it has destroyed our normal lives. When in the series they get the cure, but in real life we have to be in a torture for 1 whole year to get the cure, and it's not even the fully secure cure. We are getting it as a, but it is not even for me. I mean, I'm 21, no, so they are only giving it to 45, above 45 people. Then what should we do? You say that this is the nation of the youngster, and you are letting the youngster die. So how this will? Okay, let's forget it. So the point I was making, that this kind of a series shows that what things can happen. I mean, that the virus, they say it was like unpredictable before 2019, November 2019, and after that and now we can say that these kind of things exist, and it can kill many people. I mean, if these kind of people have died in a war or a massacre, some kind of like the Germany in Hitler did with other people, I don't know with whom he did it. So if this kind, that many people have died in a massacre or a war, that will be listed as the greatest war in the history of the earth. And now the country did it, and we are not doing anything. I mean, I'm not saying that China is the one who did it, but it is. He is the one who did it. I mean, I can say that because WHO is practically a pet of China. I'm not. No. I mean, maybe YouTube could be the pet of China, so he will do something with this video. Okay, let's. What should we talk? There is nothing to talk. I mean, our CM is trying his best effort. I mean, he's on the car with a mask and only two people on it. I mean, they are like security guards of it, and he is running on the Bhopal's road with the car and telling everyone to wear a mask, wear a mask. I mean, that's a good effort. I mean, he is not collecting the people around him. He's just a three-person on the car. And that's a good thing. If CM is saying the wear a mask, then wear a mask. But there is nothing in a positive way. There is nothing. I mean, there is also some news is saying that Bhajpa will win the Bengal election, but that is not a good news for the normal people. I mean, that is a good news for the people who lives in Bengal. I mean, they will start the feeling of what happened when you put into real secular government, and the when they get out of the torture that Didi did. Okay, so that is it for today. I mean, no, my style of making video is a little different, but it's okay. No, it's my style. So, and none of you are complained because there is none of you who watch.